Get ready to shit yourself. Let's do this. Oh wait, let's go random. Okay. No, why did I push
Is the
it?
game scary?
Hey!
Pretty scary.
No, you're leaving.
What's it about?
You're leaving.
What?
Okay, now let's do this. Yeah. Let's do
Hold on,
this.
let me send him a message.
Oh, I can't stop it. Oh, crap. I don't got a good feeling about this. Are your headphones all the way up?
Yeah.
Oh my god, your voice is loud. Talk. Hello.
Back. I was
Okay.
sending Luke a message.
You guys do this. I don't
Wait.
see nothing.
Fuck, I hate you.
Let's go.
Why, hello.
Hello. How's your day?
You look like you were gonna die.
Hey, there's the flagpole right behind you.
360 spin around.
Wait, oh, you can't even make it so you can turn faster? Really?
It's an indie game, what do you expect?
Them legs. For $1. $1 million.
I wasn't sure if you saw me or not.
Trying to ditch me? Hey, let's just all run right now. Let's just run. Just run.
No, because then you can't see where you're looking.
I'm gonna save my battery.
How can you see me?
I'm seeing your light.
Oh.
I could put night vision on my monitor. I can put it on so I can easily see in the dark.
Bet you can't.
Okay, let me try it. Wait.
Because the game doesn't allow you.
Okay, I got night vision on.
You can't see anything.
Oh, yeah, I can. There's a thing right next to us on our right. On the left, there's a tree way over there.
There's
Oh,
the
shit.
recording over
Wait,
here.
let me take night vision off. Okay, let's do this.
Here it is.
Let's go. Oh my god, dude, nightmare. Swag! Swag! Go!
Turn your light on.
It is on.
Are you behind me?
Yeah, go. Come on, man. I don't want to stay still.
Come closer, come closer. I want to see your light on my screen so I know you're behind me.
I'm following you, man. Just go. Come on, man. I don't want to die. Them legs.
If anything, I'm gonna die before you.
I don't want to be the last one alive, man. No. I'd rather die
I think
first.
we're at the edge.
Yeah, we are. Oh, I hear him. I hear him. Run. Run. Oh, shit. No. No. I lost you. No.
Ah!
No. Run. Run. I saw him twice. I saw him
I know,
twice.
he's on the other side of the river.
I saw him twice. Oh, my God. There goes my +2.
Are you behind me?
Yeah. I hear him. I don't want to get grabbed. No. Don't you dare grab me like last game. Should I run towards you? Because you're a little bit farther ahead of me.
Yeah,
Okay, go, go, go. Go. My heart's already pounding.
I know.
Man, why did I have to see him twice? You walk hella fast. Or I walk hella slow. Oh yeah, I got -1. I am scared.
I hear him.
You have a pink flashlight.
Swag!
Swag, YOLO!
I was kidding, stop it. Are you behind me?
Yes, I'm behind you. Wait, where'd you go? Where'd you go?
Do you see me?
No?
Liar, I can see your flashlight.
Where'd you
I
go?
can hear you walking behind me.
Swag. Go! Go! We're not staying still. Oh, I hear him. I hear him. Oh my god. Okay, I'm gonna run a little bit. Your legs, man, they're like skin. Or, I mean, not skin. They're thin at the ankle. Hey, slow down! Slow down, you're too fast. Oh my god, go! Go! No! Go! Oh, what is that? Swag.
Go left, go left.
Okay, go left, go left. Go. Oh my god, I hear him. I hear him. I hear him. Shut up! No. I don't want to die.
I don't want to scream like a bitch.
Well, we're playing on Nightmare. Oh yeah, we're playing on Nightmare.
I'm
Slow down,
surprised
slow
we're both
down.
still alive.
I just know I'm scared shitless right now.
I'm afraid if I look behind me, it's gonna be like right there.
And you're gonna see me right behind you too.
I know. I'm gonna see you and him, and I'll be like, fuck.
Yeah, most likely. I hear him. Oh my god, where is that next audio file? Why do you walk so damn fast, man? Go, go. Yeah, you walk
too
fast.
far behind, just sprint and catch up.
Okay.
Because I don't remember. I know I have +1 like adrenaline or something.
I have -1.
Windmill, swag,
Yes.
or -1, whatever.
I don't want to turn around to see if it's like not on this one. Okay, I'm catching up. I'm catching up. I hear it.
I hear it. It's on this one right here.
Oh yay! Loud noises. 3, 2, 1. Where is it?
Where is it? Oh, here it is.
Oh my god! You just scared me for a second.
Where are you?
I'm right behind you. Go, go, come on. Yeah, I'm gonna be dead like last time on the second damn audio file.
You want to go first?
No. No, not at all. I hear him. He wants to touch you. I'm really close to my screen right now.
Don't move. Okay. I thought I heard it.
They're making my heart beat.
Heartbeat beating like that.
Oh yeah, I think it's over here. It should be right over here. That's where it was last time, remember? Oh, we're at the house.
Yeah. Yeah.
Man, I can't handle this.
Where is it? I see it.
Get that shit.
We got 3.
I don't even know what he's saying. I just know he said you can't hear it, or you can hear it and you can't see it. We're living! We're still alive! Is your headphone shaking your head?
Yeah.
Saying, oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my
That's
god!
completely wrong.
Oh my god! That's why you don't stay still.
Do you see me?
I'm right behind you. I'm not gonna lose you. Oh, don't grab me. No, don't grab me. I don't want to get grabbed like last time. Oh, no, 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 no. Ooh, I heard Jacob. Did you hear him?
No.
I heard him. He was like a wolf. See? Oh, that's never mind. It's not even a wolf. Oh my god, I hear him. I hear him.
I hear you running behind me.
Yeah, I know. My dude's like really slow. Oh, aren't I the girl? Was I the girl?
Yeah, you were the girl.
You got that swaggin' pink flashlight.
I know, bro.
That person's having breathing problems. I don't think I would like start breathing after like, 4 steps of running. I don't want to get grabbed. I'm sticking right behind you. What was that, like 5 steps behind you and I got grabbed and killed? Wait, didn't we just do a square or circle?
No. I remember. We're too far to the...
I'm not getting too far from you. I'm not risking anything. Especially on Nightmare. Now is the time to get some squid grips. My hands, man, they keep slipping. I just got Samuel some squid grips too, so he's lucky. Those would have been handy right now.
How'd you go?
What?
You know what time it is?
It's 10 o'clock.
It's time for you to do a 360.
What? No!
You have the +2
Fine.
vision.
Fine. Oh shit, yes, he's behind us. Oh my god. Oh my god, you asshole. I'm never doing that again. I'm not doing that again. Hey, remember I lost them right in the beginning?
Why not?
Yeah, I'm gonna be dead now. Thank you.
But it's less likely.
What does it mean though? Like, can you see him like 5 times or what? Like, what happens when you see him multiple times?
I think it's the percentage. The percentage of like when you see him.
I can feel my heart.
Now.
I can feel my heartbeat.
I can too. I'm trying not to be.
And it's dark too, like for sure now. It's been dark when I first played this.
My battery is like dying. That's why I like the guy with +3.
Oh, my battery's dying.
There's a river. Let's find some rocks.
It wasn't smart for us to take turns.
I'm so close to my screen.
Just going
like,
black.
My eyes are so open right now.
You're not the only one. Oh my god, man. Your flashlight died. Oh, never mind.
Oh,
keep going, keep going.
I accidentally hit the X button. A bridge.
If you like turn your flashlight off, like does that help you?
Yeah, it saves battery. You want to cross the bridge first?
No. You want to cross it first? Yes. There's nothing over here.
Well, you know how it has those noises.
Oh shit, I hear him. I'm running closer.
I hear it.
I hear it's gonna be on one of these statues.
Oh no, now I hear it.
Oh, it's that word.
The crazy statues!
Don't look at it.
No, don't, or you'll die.
Like, what does it do? Does it like just kill you? Oh my god! No! No! Why does he do that? Why does he have to be an asshole?
I wanted to go that way too.
Great, now what? I'm afraid we're gonna die.
I'm straining my eyes to the max.
Just one blink. Oh my god! No! I died! No! Why? I wasn't even that far! Wow! Are you serious right now? Really? I died. I'm always the freaking first one to die. Every time. I'm coming to you. Oh, it's right there on your right, right side. It's on the side of it. Yeah, it's on the side of it. Go. Yeah.
The side I'm on?
Yeah, on your right. Yeah, just keep going straight. Yeah, go straight. You're walking hella slow. Okay, right there. Okay, keep going, man. My screen's all bright now.
I really can't see anything.
I'll guide you. There's a tree in front of you. Did I scare you?
You scared me so bad.
I knew I scared you.
My battery's like dying.
Okay, I'll guide you. Just stay with me.
I'm following you, Rodrigo.
Okay, do you need your flashlight to see me?
No.
Cause aren't I faster than you? Miss Velma?
Okay, so don't go too fast.
Okay, is that fast?
Yeah, that's good.
Okay, I'm not going really slowly.
Alright, a little faster, please.
Okay. I'll help you find these, just do not die. Tell me if you hear something. Oh, I hear it. I hear it. Wait. Follow me.
Oh, yeah.
Follow me. Okay, I'll tell you where it is. Oh, it's right here. Yeah, right there. On your right. Right under his arm. Yes. Go. We're gonna win! Okay, we still got 3 more. You still behind me?
Like, I am going purely off of you. My flashlight's done.
Just follow me. I'll go slow for you. Just don't die. Wow. Don't die.
I have a little bit left.
A little bit of what?
See, like, the very battery. It's like to see, like, the very ground below me. Stop going in circles.
There's a thing right here. Let's go. I want to know what I look like. I hear it. I hear it's on the left side. They're right here, right here. Oh my god, we might actually win. Yay. Come on, we got 2 more. Let's go. Okay, we're gonna go left now. Back across that bridge.
The music is so loud!
We're gonna go back across the bridge.
Is it loud on your screen?
No. You mean my headset?
It is so loud on me.
On just follow me. Dude, if we win and then you die like right when we find it, you just get killed. How pissed would you be?
I would be very mad.
Have you beaten it yet? Oh. This is where they hang people or they chop off their heads.
You're going hella fast.
Sorry. This is where they die. Look it. Party. I would
Where
hate
did you go? Where did you go? Why are you so far away? Look at me.
Crap.
What am I doing?
You're staying still.
Ah!
Oh my god. Oh my god.
I'm gonna have a heart attack.
What?
The music got so much louder.
Wow. How do they know we screamed?
I don't think it. I think it just guesses. Like on how many times you see him. Are you watching the replay?
Yeah. That's so weird. What does that mean? What is that's when we both saw.
You see him. Yeah.
What do those little puzzles mean?
We found a piece.
Swag. There's 2 down. And we're gonna see him right. Come on, where's. Yep, right there.
That was the encounter.
Can we just go all around?
Encounter.
This is where I end up dying. Wait. Oh yay. Aww. I'm still alive. Oh yeah, I died. I died. Damn, we did pretty good. We did pretty good. And then you got stuck. Oh my god. Okay.